Residents of the southeastern U.S. witnessed a galactic light show this week when an Earthgrazer Meteor flew across the night sky, NASA said. The luminescent fireball became visible on November the 9th at 6:39 p.m., NASA Meteor Watch said in a Facebook post, adding it was captured by 3 NASA Meteor cameras. It first appeared over Taylorsville, Georgia at an altitude of 55 miles. Just below the Kármán line, the boundary between Earth's atmosphere and outer space, moving at a speed of 38,500 miles per hour. It next appeared 44 miles above Owens Crossroads, southeast of Huntsville, Alabama. The last place it was spotted was 34 miles above Lutz, Tennessee, putting its total journey at a whopping 186 miles. It was able to complete the 3-state journey as it entered at a very shallow angle of only 5 degrees from the horizontal. The space agency was unable to determine the size of the fireball as its light was dimmed by overcast skies. Earthgrazer meteors enter the planet's atmosphere at a very shallow trajectory. Oftentimes, they will skim across the upper atmosphere for a long distance, bounce off the atmosphere and head back into space. A rare meteor for those fortunate enough to see it, NASA Meteor Watch added. This class of meteors can travel a considerable distance before getting low enough to completely burn up, NASA has said previously. In May 2014, a basketball-sized meteoroid entered the atmosphere 63 miles above Columbia, South Carolina. This Earthgrazer was flying at speeds of 78,000 miles per hour, before it burned up 52 miles above Tennessee, traveling a total distance of 290 miles, quite rare for a meteor, NASA wrote at the time. When meteoroids, small pieces of asteroids or comets, enter the Earth's atmosphere, they become meteors or fireballs. If it makes it to Earth, it becomes a meteorite, which can become valuable to collectors. In August, NASA released a new map that showed where fireball meteors have hit Earth's atmosphere, dating back to 1988. The difference between an asteroid, meteorite and other space rocks. An asteroid is a large chunk of rock left over from collisions or the early solar system. Most are located between Mars and Jupiter in the main belt. A comet is a rock covered in ice, methane and other compounds. Their orbits take them much further out of the solar system. A meteor is what astronomers call a flash of light in the atmosphere when debris burns up. This debris itself is known as a meteoroid. Most are so small they are vaporized in the atmosphere. If any of this meteoroid makes it to Earth, it is called a meteorite. Meteors, meteoroids and meteorites normally originate from asteroids and comets. For example, if Earth passes through the tail of a comet, much of the debris burns up in the atmosphere, forming a meteor shower.